In this lesson, we're going to look at the Latin roots spect, port, and form. Spect means look at. Port means to carry. And form means shape. These are generally pretty straightforward roots, so usually it's pretty easy to kind of predict the meaning of the words that you see them in relating to carrying, shape, or looking at something. So, like, you're basically looking for these parts. So say we look at like spect, and then we see inspection. You see spect, that means that you're looking at something. It also has the suffix ion, which is like the act or result of something, and then you have the result in, or the prefix in. So you're like, which means look, which means into. So I'm like looking into, the act of looking into something is an inspection. So I'm like giving you an inspection to look in to see how you're doing, right? That's what inspection means. You have port, which is like carrying, and then X, which is like outside. So you're like carrying something out. You're exporting it. Usually when we talk about exports, it's about things that are sent outside of a country. Conform, form is shape, and con is width. So it's like when you're taking the shape of like something else. You're kind of conforming to whatever the standard shape or practice is. Another good one to look with port to compare is like import, is when your im is like taking something in and port is carrying it. So it's like you're bringing something in versus bringing something out. Retro means backwards, and then spect is look at. So retrospect is like looking back. You're reflecting and looking back through things. So go ahead and just sort your words into the columns, spect, port, and form, depending on which root you see in there, and really think about like what they mean based on what you know about that root and some other roots too that you'll notice in there that they kind of combine together to create an overall meaning for the word. And here is your spect words, your port words, and your form. Again, spect is look at, carry, port is carry, and form is shape. So these words generally, these are all going to have something to do with like looking at something. These are going to have to do with like carrying or moving something. These are going to have to do with like shape or like format of something.